Welcome, travelers! Today we're taking you on a virtual journey to one of the most captivating cruise ship destinations in the world, Rhodes, Greece. As one of the largest islands in the Dodecanese, Rhodes is rich in history, brimming with medieval charm and offering countless experiences. From ancient ruins to stunning beaches, Rhodes is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. In this guide, we'll show you everything you need to know to explore Rhodes like a pro. Plus, we have a special treat: the top 5 must-see places you can't afford to miss during your port day. Let's dive in and uncover the best of what this captivating island has to offer. About Rhodes. Rhodes is an island with a fascinating history. Founded in the 5th century BC, it has seen the rise and fall of various civilizations, including the Greeks, Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans. The island is perhaps best known for the Colossus of Rhodes, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Today, Rhodes's well-preserved medieval Old Town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its cobbled streets, historic buildings, and vibrant culture. Now, let's talk about the logistics of your visit to Rhodes. The cruise terminals. When your cruise ship docks, it will be at the port of Rhodes, conveniently located near the Old Town. Most cruise liners provide easy access to the city centre, but it's always a good idea to check with your ship for specific details. From the port, you can easily explore Rhodes on foot, or opt for a taxi if you prefer. Transport services. Getting around Rhodes is easy and convenient. The Old Town is compact and best explored on foot, allowing you to soak up the atmosphere and discover hidden gems at your own pace. For those wanting to venture further, local buses and taxis are available. If you prefer a more flexible way to explore, consider renting a bike or joining a guided tour. Booking local tours can significantly enhance your Rhodes experience. Local tour operators offer extensive knowledge about the area, providing you with an insider perspective of Rhodes. Consider joining a guided walking tour of the Old Town, a boat tour to explore the coastline, or a visit to the nearby village of Lindos. Booking tours in advance can save you money and ensure you secure your spot. Now, let's explore the top 5 must-visit places in Rhodes when you're on a day trip from your cruise ship. Start your adventure in Rhodes Old Town, a labyrinth of cobblestone streets, charming squares, and historic buildings. The town's medieval architecture and fortified walls make it a fascinating place to explore. This imposing fortress is one of the most iconic landmarks in Rhodes. Originally built in the 14th century by the Knights of St. John, it now houses a museum showcasing the island's rich history. Walk along this historic street, lined with medieval inns that once housed the knights. It's one of the best preserved medieval streets in Europe and offers a glimpse into the island's storied past. A short drive from Rhodes Town, the village of Lindos is a must-visit. Climb to the top of the acropolis for breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea and explore the ancient ruins that date back to the 4th century BC. Just a short walk from the Old Town, Elli Beach is the perfect spot to relax and enjoy the sun. With crystal clear waters and plenty of amenities, it's ideal for a refreshing swim after a day of sightseeing. Greeks are known for their warm hospitality, and a little cultural sensitivity goes a long way. When greeting someone, a handshake and maintaining eye contact are customary. Learning a few basic Greek phrases like kalimera, good morning, and efaristo, thank you, will be greatly appreciated. Coffee culture is a big part of life in Rhodes. Take the time to enjoy a leisurely coffee at a local cafe, immersing yourself in the daily rhythm of the city. Tipping is also customary in Greece. Leaving a small tip of around 10% is appreciated for good service. Savouring Rhodes's delights, prepare your taste buds for a culinary adventure in Rhodes. The island's cuisine is a delightful fusion of Mediterranean and traditional Greek flavors, fresh seafood, and locally sourced ingredients. Don't miss out on trying local specialties like moussaka, a baked dish with layers of eggplant, meat, and bechamel sauce. Don't miss out on trying local specialties like souvlaki grilled meat skewers. For dessert, indulge in baklava, a sweet pastry made of layers of phyllo filled with chopped nuts and sweetened with honey. Pair it with a glass of local wine or a cup of strong Greek coffee for the perfect end to your meal. Sun, sea, and when to go. Rhodes enjoys a Mediterranean climate with warm summers and mild winters. The best time to visit is during the spring or autumn when the weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. Summer in Rhodes is hot and busy, perfect for beachgoers but also the peak tourist season. If you prefer a quieter experience, visiting in the spring or autumn is ideal. Winters are mild and less crowded, offering a different charm with cozy restaurants and fewer tourists. Unlocking the best of Rhodes. To make the most of your time in Rhodes, here are a few insider tips. Venture beyond the main tourist areas and explore the island's hidden gems. The narrow streets of the Old Town are full of character and offer a glimpse into local life. Engage with the locals. People in Rhodes are generally friendly and open. Strike up a conversation at the market or ask for restaurant recommendations. You'll gain valuable insights and perhaps make a new friend. Choosing a tour. For an authentic experience, consider booking a guided tour. A local guide can provide you with fascinating stories and insider knowledge about Rhodes's history and culture. Whether it's a walking tour of the historical sites or a culinary tour to sample local delicacies, these experiences will enrich your visit. If you're feeling adventurous, try a boat tour. Explore the coastline, spot marine life, and enjoy the island's beauty from a unique perspective. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. And to help you save on your next port visit, check out the video description for the links to our recommended local tours. Plus, you can download our port tour guide specific for the ports you are going to visit, all for free. These free resources will help you save a lot of money on your next port day visit. Happy travels!